In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Suno AI account efficiently and easily. Whether you're a new user or someone who wants to refresh their memory, this guide will walk you through each step in detail, ensuring a smooth and successful login experience. To begin, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice, be it Chrome, Safari, or any other, and navigate to suno.com. Simply enter the URL into your address bar and hit enter. This will bring you directly to the Suno homepage, which is your starting point. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you will find the Sign In button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to spot. Click on this button and it will lead you to the next step in the sign-in process. Now you'll be on a new page where you need to select the icon representing the service you originally used to create your Suno AI account. You might remember signing up using one of several popular services, including Apple, Google, Microsoft, or Discord. To proceed, simply click on the corresponding icon. For example, if you initially signed up with your Google account, you would choose the Google icon. After making your selection, you'll be directed to a secure login page for the service you've chosen. Here, it's crucial you follow the on-screen instructions specific to your selected service. This could involve entering your email and password, or it might prompt you to use a two-factor authentication code if you have that set up for additional security. Ensuring the safety and security of your account credentials is of utmost importance, so take your time to input the information accurately. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, such as forgetting your password, most services provide an option to recover or reset it. Don't hesitate to make use of these features if necessary. Once you've completed the necessary authorization steps, you should be redirected back to suno.com and be automatically signed into your account. Congratulations, you're now all set to explore all that Suno AI has to offer. And that wraps up today's guide. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process clearer and boosted your confidence in managing your Suno AI account. Remember, logging in is the first step to start taking advantage of Suno AI's powerful tools and features. Thanks for joining me today, and happy exploring.